What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got something very interesting for you. We are taking the Mustang on a road trip. So the Mustang is back on the Weld S77 front skinnies. If you guys don't know, I just did a roll race about 2 weeks ago and I had to run some stock wheels, so the S77s are back on the car. Car is running fairly good. Next upgrade, really, I've got a few things coming, but the biggest thing is going to be switching this air-to-air to an air-to-water. If you guys didn't watch my latest video on the roll race, we had huge IAT problems with the car, so the air-to-air is gotta go and we are getting an air-to-water system. But that's going to take about 2 to 3 weeks to get in. So, anyways, we are taking the car on a short road trip today. So I got to fill up with some fuel and make sure we top the car off. Son of a... Yeah. If you guys don't know, this Ignite 90 is about $9.50 a gallon, and I just spilled, well, about $5 worth, which is a small spill. Huge cost. So I had this grand idea to bring my cute little boxer puppy with me. Hey, what are you barking at, fool? So I was gonna bring Cupcake with me, but it's pretty hot out today, and the Mustang has no AC, so poor Cupcake has to stay. But we'll bring her for another time. Always prepare for the worst. Bring some extra E90 in case shit gets wild. Should we do a cold start? This is a cold start on a 2018 Ford Mustang GT with a turbo. Oh, and exhaust out the hood. You see, it's actually not that loud because the turbo acts as a muffler. So we've got a big ass muffler on this car. Now this is living, people. No AC, windows down, hood exit exhaust. Just the open road of Texas. Get a tan today, boys. We have arrived at our destination. So guys, this is Palo Canyon. It's about 20-25 miles outside of Amarillo towards Canyon. Pretty crazy that something this massive is actually in Amarillo, Texas. You would have never known. It's pretty cool. So this is the second largest canyon in the United States. Of course, second place too. Well, no other than the Grand Canyon, but this thing is massive. I don't know exactly how big it is, but we're gonna make a few stops. We're gonna drive the Mustang down there because they've got a road that goes all the way down there. But as you can see, there's off-road trails everywhere for mountain biking and hiking, and you actually used to be able to take Jeeps down there, but they have blocked that off, and you can no longer do that unless you're part of some special Jeep group. But yeah, this is Palo Canyon. So at this point, we're pretty much in the bottom, or at the bottom of the canyon. Look at the scenery here. You cannot beat it. It is pretty hot out today. I am sweating like a fool. I don't wish I had AC. It's actually it's nice enough where you can have the windows down and there's a nice little breeze because, well, it's Amarillo. There's always wind, but just look at the scenery here. It's unbelievable that this is only like 10 to 15 minutes from our house. It's pretty awesome. You can't beat it. Well, that's unfortunate. See how athletic Dave is today. Man, this is just awesome. I mean, there's just trails for days out here. If this video doesn't get posted, just note that I was on a very rough trail and I didn't make it out alive. All right, let's go to the next stop. Remote start gonna work from this far? Let's test it out. Ooh, that's what I'm talking about. This is freaking awesome! Alright guys, so I'm gonna end the video up here. Obviously we've got scenes on scenes on scenes on scenes. I mean, it's amazing. This place is endless. I wish I could tell you how big it is, but I'm sure someone will comment down below. But if you haven't ever been here, or if you haven't even been to the Grand Canyon, you are missing out. I used to go to the Grand Canyon a lot as a kid, and I recently went there like 2 years ago when I had my Jeep. I did a little road trip before I actually moved to Amarillo, and now this is the closest thing we have, but this is awesome. So if you live in Amarillo, or if you're even near Amarillo, this is worth driving to. Awesome views out here, tons of hiking, and you know, we've got the streetcar Mustang out here. Some may call it a race car because it's got hood, exit, exhaust, no back seats, no AC, but this is the streetcar out here. I mean, it made the 30-mile cruise here. Should be a streetcar. So guys, I just want to close the video out to say that I'm very, very fortunate to have this extra time during my day, because I train clients super early and train them all morning, and then from like 11 to about 3:30 I have that free time, and that's usually when I make YouTube videos, and then I go back to work because I train clients from like 4 till 8 at night, and then I work out, and I'm pretty busy from there on. So I'm pretty fortunate to have time during the day to go do things like this, because places like this, they're not usually packed during the day. I mean, it is summertime, but on a normal day, no one's really out during this time. So I'm pretty fortunate to have this extra time to be able to do stuff like this. So if you guys ever have extra time, or even just have a day off, take a day off, take it to yourself, and go enjoy something like this. So huge shout out to you guys for always supporting. I really appreciate it. Make sure you, as always, hit that thumbs up button if you guys like this video. Comment down below, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. I will see you guys on the next one. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and Snapchat at VanV39. Peace.